Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. Make sure your counter is clean and ready for some hands-on work. This recipe is perfect for beginners and yields delicious, fresh pasta every time. Let's get started with the mixing process. Now, on a clean surface, pile your flour and create a well in the center. Crack the 3 eggs directly into this well. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, slowly incorporating the flour from the sides until a shaggy dough comes together. Then, knead the dough vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten for perfect texture. After kneading, cover your dough with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll. Next, divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and roll it out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick, using either a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Once your dough is rolled thin, it's time to cut it into your favorite pasta shapes. You can make classic fettuccine, tagliatelle, or even lasagna sheets. Lightly flour the cut pasta to prevent sticking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add your fresh pasta. It cooks very quickly, usually in just 2 to 4 minutes until al dente. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book on money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.